I am not afraid of death, if biodegradable. Then, when I give up and die, no one will cry for earth or space that I require. Mine will be a bloodless death, for I live imitation in a disguise kit bought from Rolling Stone, sending away for my cute styrofoam face. Life has pre-recorded words made environmentally, in ecologically sound, friendly manners of my choice, and meaning sounds authentic. No one should cry at my death, for my dead body will not echo pollution and waste as my funeral rites speak of keeping a healthy earth. I have no death resistance when not taking up space for eternities after me. Thus my dead blood will not throb, leaving unknown depths of trash. Life is a sensation when lived in clean environments, and I want to leave no bones, just memories lingering, one day to be forgotten.